Meena, Auntie-oda amma.
Welcome to celebration.
Auntie, how are you? How is your health?
When he was just 1 year old and all, he was very naughty. Matlab, you cannot even imagine what he will do. His actions I cannot predict.
हीरो बन के आ रहे हो लास्ट में.
हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है हाँ.
हीरो का एंट्री लेट होता है.
एकदम.
And people used to call and tell us, your son is riding a bicycle, wearing a helmet and all. Matlab, we used to be like that, very funny, very entertaining person, right from the child. Beautiful.
Glad to see you, Arjun.
It's an open book. How he is Atandad. No false, fake adella illa.
Arjun has been the same since childhood. I have not seen any changes in him. He's the same. Absolutely.
सूटकेस में भी इतना क्रॉक्स है देने के लिए लोगों को. क्रॉक्स वालों को तो चल पड़ी, निकल पड़ी.
The wedding date that we got married on. So 7th July. That's what this is. This is from work. This is because we have cats at home, so we like them. This is because we got this idea in New York, so we decided we'll pick up a heart and New York sign so that we can signify that. Pizza, because you can see her. That's pizza. She likes pizza quite a bit. This is from a friend. Oh, this was the first musical that we went to, which was a surprise. On our first anniversary, I took her for Lion King. This is that. This is San Diego because my brother lives in San Diego. These are cats. These are our two cats, by the way. Orange and black and yellow. Black and white. It's called Lulu. I think that's it pretty much.
And she gifted you everything?
Yeah, she does. Most of them. And oh, this is the most important part. There's football with hand sanitizer. Because I need that in life. Sorry. Mojo Jojo, because as a kid I was Mojo Jojo. She was, you were Bubbles or Buttercup?
Buttercup.
She was Buttercup. When we first met, I was 5.
Yeah, so was I. We were 5 and we were neighbors in this little tiny town called Rajahmundry.
Our parents were friends, that's how we knew each other.
Yeah, so yeah, then we've been friends ever since.
For groom, anything goes. Groom makes groom rules. You just run to position. We'll hug like this.
It's the other way around. He is the bride and I am this.
You are the Zilla. है ना? He's tall.
He is looking like he
Look happy.
अरे
right, auntie. No, I do.
وسط الفاكهة عدد الفاك.
Oh yeah. Not recognizable at all.
I know,
இங்க பாருங்க புது கல்யாண பொண்ணு. எங்கேயோ பார்த்திருக்கேன்.
Looks fancy by the way.
This thing, like, very entertaining.
Brethren. Yes.
Oh, uncle thought he was working in the... Monu will look fancy now for 2 days.
She became too fancy just to put some mehndi. तो हाथ कोई देखता ही नहीं है.
आपका ही ज्यादा देखेंगे.
मेरे को कोई भी नहीं देखेगा आप
नहीं आपको देखेंगे.
क्लास 10th में इसको मेरे से प्यार हुआ. ये आई दिल्ली, मैंने गाया इन दी एंड, हो गया इसको प्यार. मैं गा के तो नहीं सुनाऊंगा, ठीक है, बट हो गया इसको प्यार. हाँ नहीं
Rekindle that love.
नहीं
Please do.
नहीं ये नहीं.
I will give you groupie.
नहीं मैं गाता नहीं. In the end it doesn't even matter.
That is not how you sang it.
We were waiting for 1 year for this moment, okay? Especially Meena and Ranganathan waiting when she was 5 years old.
Yeah.
तब से mind में they have decided she is the one.
More than a daughter-in-law, she is my friend.
Same with me also. Arjun, more than a son-in-law, I call him Vada, Poda and all that.
No formality.
Never mind. No formality.
Vacation Ravi right behind me now. ஒரு நிமிஷம் மனு அப்படியே நில்லு.
A gigantic head of mine.
I think they're like yin and yang. They complement each other perfectly because when she's a little, she can get a little anxious and a little planning person, and he's like, "Arey yaar, chal karenge bindas, chal tu main hu na." So I think that complementary, natures is really works really well for them, both of them. So.
अभी ये लोग हमसे कुछ सवाल जवाब करेंगे I think.
Shoot,
और
rapid
अभी
fire.
mic
Oh
लगाया
yeah,
तो
best. Rapid fire.
Rapid. What's your favorite color? बता मेरे को. What's the first movie you saw? कहाँ जाना है? Travel Antarctica.
Stressing about the Sangeet.
You know, I've been listening to those songs and in my mind I'm full night Arjun is like this only, like this only all the time. Yeah. Arjun, I hear those songs right now immediately, left and right, like everything is on point.
Favorite color? Yellow.
Orange. Yellow कब से?
तेरा नहीं है मेरा.
नहीं orange होना चाहिए ना.
ठीक है orange. What's the first movie watched together?
चलो ना प्यार है.
Kapoor and Sons.
Kapoor and Sons तो हमने बाद में देखा ना यार. बचपन में कौन ना प्यारे देखा. I said I dance on one song. We are now at 4.5 minutes. Don't get me.
That's because you put all the fillers. It was actually
Yeah, without the fillers it was 4 minutes 23 seconds. It's okay.
ये लड़का है दीवाना है दीवाना. More than a संबंधी, we are friends.
We are friends.
Promise.
Yes,
Video
yeah,
witness.
I like to be like that, na.
Video witness. Don't change your mind.
My son is getting married, so I have to be serious.
Uncle, आप ऐसे क्या?
Call me after 13.
Or tonight after 8 p.m. He'll not be serious. Him and vacation Ravi will shawa. Dance practice में सारा दिख जाएगा. अभी
अभी होगा.
करना ही पड़ेगा. सारे दोस्त लोग अभी लैंड हो रहे हैं and they're getting ready for all songs.
I'm practicing my dance. Okay, cancel this.
कैंसिल कर रहे हैं हम त्रिकांश. अगला नया आएगा एकदम फ्रेश.
हाँ, order है first entry song. After that.
कैसी बातें हो.
After that, it is kids. After kids, family.
शादी कर ले बच्चों में बोलो.
After family,
ठीक है सुन लिया.
we are last.
दूसरा काम है कि वो MC को.
Can't remember the steps. It's my solo. It's my solo.
Does he know?
That's why I'm like silently just doing.
Amitabh Bachchan style.
त्रिकांश अपडेटेड ऑर्डर है. काफी डिसाइसिव है हम लोग. तू टेंशन मत ले.
Entry song.
लड़के वाले पहले.
ठीक है, जा.
ही कचरा हो गया यार पूरा। तू रुकना, मैं बता दूंगा। What's your favorite football team?
Arsenal.
ये खत्म। बट देखो, उससे भी इसको प्यार हो गया तो I knew it was the real one. But नहीं, that was when she fell in love.
He's a mascot for Man United. Then there is the Harry Potter scar, because both of us are Potterheads.
Which house?
Oh, Gryffindor. Hello, and he's Hufflepuff.
She's one of the most kind people that anybody will meet, and I think love matters to her a lot. Relationships matter a lot. She's been my friend for life. That's why I think प्यार हो गया.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
क्या तुम मेरे दोस्त बनोगे?
प्यार दोस्ती है.
हाँ?
Arjun, you recognize me?
Yeah, you are Aditya's mom. You have not been noticed.
We were our first friends. This is like we were the whole.
These were the
gang.
wild gang.
Oh yeah, that is for you. Yes.
Like it? I think the battery is here. Chocolate. Surya looks ready.
Yeah, he's like, I'm glad I came to this wedding.
He is actually Chris Hemsworth's brother. Little known brother, Raghu Hemsworth. Yeah. Hello, sir. Yeah, the bright side, because she's the best.
Hey, hello. Is there a competition?
I said yes,
Are
and
you
I
sure
said
there's
you will
only
win.
competition between us?
And I said you will win because you're the best.
Lies.
I did. It's on
All
camera.
full.
Like since 2009, when I first met him. I think it has only been downhill since then.
I'm telling you about
Arjun is their first, second favorite son.
I agree. तेरी भाभी को बुला भाभी को
दीदी को
भाभी को
दीदी को
भाभी
दीदी दीदी दीदी
So I think I'm going on a date.
Cool,
I think so, yeah.
We've been texting. We've been texting. For 1 week she didn't text me, but now we're texting again.
Aarti looking sharp by the way. This is how assassins turn up to parties, I told you. Full, he's sharp, he's ready.
I love everything about you. You got dressed Thank you. Looking so pretty.
Welcome, glimmering.
Looking smart, huh? No.
मैं तब से शादी का प्लानिंग कर रही हूँ. तब से
हम लोग जब राजमंड्री में आए तो एक
तब
बार
से
आप
2000 से प्लानिंग चल रहा है.
नहीं नेबर्स थे ना तो पहली बार मोनू आई हमारे घर में क्यूट से चश्मा वश्मा पहन के. तो जब वो लोग चले गए तो अंकल बोल रहे हैं वो छोटी वाली बड़ी क्यूट है ना, ऐसे बोल रहे थे. नहीं
वीडियो चल रहा है. Relax.
Let's go ahead and welcome the beautiful family of our gorgeous bride Shivani and our handsome groom Arjun. Music please.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby.
Make some noise and then come on, you guys.
The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Welcome to all of you. We are about to start the dazzling Sangeet night.
I like me better when I'm with you. हाँ खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाइए, खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाइए, मोह सुहागन की नीरे मोसे नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक नैना मिलाई के, नैना मिलाई के, नैना मिलाई के, नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब छीन नीरे मोसे नैना मिलाई के. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. छाप तिलक सब छीन नीरे मोसे नैना मिलाई के, नैना मिलाई के. चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा, चार चराग तेरे बलन हमेशा, पंजवा वे बालन आसैया झूले लालन, सिंदरी दा सेवण दा सकी शाबाज कलंदर, छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के, छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
डिलेमा
क्या dilemma है?
भाई फैमिली शॉट बोला
Family.
तुम भी फैमिली अर्जुन भी फैमिली मुझे 2 पीना पड़ेगा
Uncle, you got this.
मेरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा Monu is all about, you know, Monu is all about having a great time, and that's what I love the most about her.
था पहली बार मोनू आई हमारे घर में क्यूट से चश्मा पहन के तो जब वो लोग चले गए तो अंकल बोल रहे वो छोटी वाली बड़ी क्यूट है ना ऐसे बोल रहे थे
नहीं फिर शर्म नहीं है राखी बंधवाते हुए 3 साल 3 साल लाइन में खड़े करके राखी बंधवाते थे मुझे ये वैसे फिल्म में नहीं लग सकता
बुलाया नहीं था पता नहीं वो कैसे आ गए
वो हर 3 साल आके मेरे को राखी बांध दी है रक्षा तो करूंगा अब मैं
एक बार जब मैं आपके घर आया था कुछ नहीं तो आंटी ने डांट लगाया था कि बोलो अर्जुन को बोलो कि
Yes, her manifestation was so strong.
कि यार इसको बहू लाना है
बहू लाना है करके
पापा चालू हो चुके हैं गाइस वैकेशन बहू तो मचा रही है बेटा
No, he just texted me that they're dating. I didn't know that it was the next day.
They're a good couple. Fantastic couple. Quite annoying couple, but yeah, they're amazing.
most of the annoying comes from Subbu, not Monu.
Let's all laugh in unison, okay? 3, 2, 1. किसने किसको उठाया? ओह वाह क्या बात है वेट तो लूज ओह वाह टर्न
I put Dinesh and I were literally like, come on, yeah, come on, do it.
I have a feeling they sort of provoked this whole thing.
Yeah.
I remember we were all in
this.
Discord
Because
bar.
I was like, hey, what's happening? He's like, oh, she didn't respond. I guess nothing's happening.
उसके बाद 3 months later, do you think we should start dating? Oh my god.
About Monu because I was working in Bombay for a year and he came in and we spent some evening with Monu, so I knew Monu. So he said कि यार उसी के साथ ही family has spoken about and we want to give it a try. We'll date first and then we'll see whether it goes well or not. So that's how I got to know, straight from the horse's mouth.
All this serious stuff was not told to me. Like, I was like, yeah, I found Monu, like, we're friends. and we're dating now. I think it's going to work. It's long distance, but are we going to make it work? This is what all this romantic stuff he told me, and we were like, yes.
ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
कहा दो दिलों ने के मिल पर
अरे इनको मत स्पार्क मत दो
No words to express here. It was ultimate. We had a really good time.
झकास बोल सकते झकास
I wish Arjun and Mona all the best.
यही लाइफ रहना उनको हमेशा रोड हर
कभी भी
जिंदगी में कोई गम बोलने के नहीं होना
प्यार की रागनी में
What we like to see is
We had a
always
fantastic time.
a lovely life. They should live their
Beautiful
life
decor.
to the fullest of their satisfaction.
Vacation, Ravi.
ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा चंचल हवा
Mona, I love you, da beta. All the best, Rakanna, from my heart. Love you, Ganesh.
Monu is my most beloved cousin. I've known her since I was born, really, and she's always been very inclusive. It's been great growing around Monu and being close to her, and it's been a lot of fun. So me and Monu share a lot of treasured memories, and hopefully we have a lot of time to make a lot of many more memories. Monu, I'm so happy that you found such a beautiful boy to spend the rest of your life with, and I wish you both the most fun and the most treasured memories to come. So I love you both, and I hope that you guys have a great marriage and a great life that you both have ahead of you.
But he was quite naughty. Oh my god. He almost sent my sister to jail. Yeah. So he called a random phone number one fine day, just a random number. And then he was like, हाँ मैं आपके घर में bomb लगा दूँगा. And he was fine.
But I'm the disruptor among everyone.
टू व्हील में क्या होता था, हम लोग तब के आते हैं पेंसिल बॉक्स आते थे, तो ये बड़े हर हफ्ते एक नया पेंसिल बॉक्स लेके आता था, बड़े क्यूट से सारी लड़कियां इसके पहले ओह सो क्यूट पेंसिल बॉक्स और वो पता नहीं बिल्ली बनी हुई ये बनी हुई और हम लोग के भैया सीरियस आते होते थे.
I have known Shivani since school. We were in school together, and we were like the Karan Arjun Jodi of our batch. Really crazy, and Shivani, if you know, she's one of the best entertainers. Always laughing, giggling, making everyone laugh, creating a ruckus in the school, troubling the teachers, everything the same.
This is just 1% of what my childhood was. Every day there'll be you run cycle over my sister, you pushed her to the gutter, like lots of things.
And he has done something or other
in every
at
house.
every house.
Something
so the parents
extremely
always
memorable.
It's always broken things. Yeah.
I don't think there's a single house he's left untouched.
No, not his own. The chandelier, projector screen at my place. Projector ऐसे किया, ओ छोड़ दिया, कोई नहीं यार, लगा लेंगे नया.
He's the life of a party actually. Anywhere we go, he's always talking and his jokes, and his presence will be felt by everybody. That is what Arjun is. You don't have to really introduce him or anything. You will know if he's there. And he's someone that people can't easily forget. Definitely not.
Shivani used to do the best mimicries in our class. So she was known for mimicking teachers. And she can do it so well. She was so popular that whenever we went on school trips or something like that, there's always this big gang and Shivani mimicking the teachers. It was awesome.
I'm the one who says no to everyone. I'm the one who wears Crocs to a traditional function.
And we also decided this naughty, mischievous guy is going to be my son-in-law.
Every time I
शिवानी और वैष्णवी मेरा दो बेटियां हैं और दो आँख की तरह है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. गुड मॉर्निंग. शिवानी इज टोटली डिफरेंट, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स। तो हम लोगों के खातिर ही वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्ट टू गो टू यूएस, वो नेचर की थी वो। तो ज़िंदगी में कुछ है बोलो तो वही मेरा 2 रत्न है, उससे मेरा कुछ बोल नहीं सकता हूँ। तो ज़िंदगी मेरा बन गया है ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर एंड अफेक्शनेट 2 kids.
बहुत अफेक्शनेट,
वेरी वेरी अफेक्शनेट।
Arjun is also very similar. He's quite like just chill types in life. He doesn't have any big plans. He's very easygoing. I think, yeah, pretty similar then. He's very, very modest and caring. Very caring actually, even with strangers.
My brother.
Here he is.
Big brother. Big brother.
Okay, thank you. And he does small things that people might oversee, but those are the things that actually make him so super caring and sweet. I used to always have a soft corner for him. So yeah, I used to be his partner in crime sometimes.
She had a scrapbook back in school, and in that, you know, those love flame games that you play, it was always Arjun's name that she used to write and like scratch, write and scratch. So I can remember it goes back to that time.
Pretty
So
sure the love percentage was 100%.
yeah, the love percentage is always 100%.
I'll do your will.
Namaste.
ओ कुड़ियो गुड़ किने खा लिया स्वीटी गुड़ वाली चाह किने पीती स्वीटी बुआ जी दा नाड़ा किने खिचया ओ खिच के मारी किने सीटी ओ छड्डो जाके पकड़ो वो हलवाई जिसने गुड़ की बना दी मिठाई ओ सबको बात है ये समझाई
ओ गुड़ नालो इश्क मिठा
parents actually gave me my identity, I want to say. I always aspire to be like my parents. There are some really strong qualities in my mom, that things like she's very dynamic, she's very confident, she's bold, and at the same time she has unconditional love. Like if she likes somebody, she'll go like all out. So that is my mother. And my dad is the most patient person I've seen in my life. He has a high level of tolerance and patience. And he's a very, very balanced human being. My dad. Yeah, he's a unique one in a million. My father.
As I grew up, I became closer to my mom. And now, like, mom's like a best friend that we have. And like for me and my brother, we are very protective of each other. So I'm very, very close to her. So they've been huge influences in our life. Especially my dad. I mean, I've seen his work ethic throughout his time. And it's his son's wedding and they literally want to fly across the country and just make it there. So he leaves that impression on people, whoever he interacts with. And I've told him that I'm very proud of that.
You've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love. To show you how you're a perfect kind. Yellow paper daisy. You've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again. Yellow paper daisy. You've made me crazy.
So I never saw them as in-laws. I've never felt that. They've always been Sujata auntie and Ravi uncle to me. And whenever we go to meet them, it's always about having fun. We spend a lot of time together. I'm a lot like her mom. And like my mom is a lot like her dad. So like, I guess these personalities have all now meshed together because we know each other for like 25 years. And I really like the balance that we have based on that.
चली आंखें मेरी तेरे पीछे पड़ी ए सुंदरी कहाँ चली दुनिया मेरी आंसू की पड़ी झुके हवा जो तुझसे गुजरे उससे चलता है मेरा मुनिए फिर जो तू हल्का सा भी हंस दे मचा के शोर है दिल ये करे तू मेरी marigold ओ मेरी marigold
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. We love Subbu. We love Subbu.
मैं लैला लैला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के मैं लैला लैला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के मैं तेरा मजनू बन जाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के कुर्ता फाड़ सब छोड़ छाड़ मैं हो गया दीवाना
मैं मजनू मजनू चिल्लाऊंगी कुर्ता फाड़ के मैं तेरी लैला बन जाऊंगी कुर्ता फाड़ के कुर्ता फाड़ सब छोड़ छाड़ मैं हो गई दीवानी
मैं लैला लैला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के
मैं मजनू मजनू चिल्लाऊंगी कुर्ता फाड़ के
सुब्बू पहले विगांश का हुआ
सौरभ सिंह रहेगा लैला लैला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के
मजनू मजनू चिल्लाऊंगी कुर्ता फाड़ के
मैं तेरा मजनू बन जाऊंगा कुर्ता फाड़ के
तेरी लैला बन जाऊंगी कुर्ता फाड़ के
I think one of the best things about him is that every one of us feels very, comfortable, very homely with him. Like he adopts us as family in an instant. So we've never felt like we're the outsiders or we're trying to make friends with him. You just meet him and you're friends with him within the first minute, and then you're family in the next.
I met Monu earlier. So we went. So I was working in Mumbai, and Subbu had also come there. Monu used to stay in Mumbai, so that's when I met her along with Subbu. We went to their place. We went to Guild Trip. There's a like a deserts place. So तब से मेरे को उसके बारे में पता चला था.
On that trip, so this is our first time meeting as adults without the supervision of our parents. So we were having our own conversations. We were talking about our own things, not worried about who's going to hear, who's not. And we used to stay up every day until like 5, 6. And that trip for me was like it changed a lot in life. I think I felt like I liked her a lot at that point. But like we said, she didn't want to move to the US at that time. So, and we were sitting in Bombay airport. I remember this, the terminal. So we were sitting outside there, and I had built this conversation up in my head the previous night so much. And I wanted to tell her that I like her and I think we should start dating. And it was at that terminal where she told me, I'm never going to the US. Who wants to go to the US? And I had a flight to the US in like a month. I was going for my master's, to start my master's. So I was like, this doesn't make sense anymore. After that, I think we stayed as very good friends. We would talk like once a month. We would just update each other on life. We went on this boys' road trip for 10 days. And on like the 5th day of that road trip, we were in Pittsburgh. I got drunk and I texted her and I said, I like you. And I think we should date. Can you just reconsider this whole US thing? Maybe it'll work.
Like I just outright asked him, I think.
सीधा
I was like,
hi hello भी नहीं था पता.
Yeah, no hi hello, no nothing. I was like, I think we should just start dating.
हाँ, मैंने कहा तू
What do
US
you
आएगी?
think?
कहती हाँ.
No, मैंने बोला we will talk about that later. Then he's like, okay, let's try. ऐसे ही, that's it. That's literally what happened. It was no like plan करके or anything. I just woke up one morning and I was like, chalo.
I have known her all my life literally. Like there isn't a time of my life before Shivani that I remember so vividly. So she's just been this constant in my life at all points in time. She's one of my closest friends. She is she's the person that I love. And I just love spending time with her. It's just a lot of fun.
Wise men say Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay?
We're doing nothing like, but it's still happy. Like, I like that part a lot. We keep talking, saying something or the other. It's just fun. I like it.
Falling in love with you. That's it. And we started our relationship long distance. And the fact that we still kept going and we never had a doubt on each other that oh no, this won't work. All the time, like both of us were very sure of each other all along. So I know that this will work, and I said yes.
There's one thing that I guess I got from her, which is now is my love for pets. She had a pug she was very close to a little while back, and the pug passed away last year. And now we have 2 cats back in the US, 1.5, whatever, one indoor, one outdoor cat. And I think my love for animals or pets has come from her.
I thought I was fine until you walked by. I thought I was fine. And you, that is quite a word, 'cause you are not just some girl, you is quite a word.
Long distance are very difficult, actually. Very, very difficult. I am one of those people who needs to see people to actually have conversations, talk to them, have fun. Most of the people here also, like, I don't text them on a daily basis, but I'll meet them here. I'll be so happy. I'll have conversation. But I don't know how we managed. I think it was only because of her that we managed all those years of long distance.
Me deciding to move to the US was a huge positive for us.
Is it necessary to say explicitly I want you for you to know that I do? I feel myself opening.
And then she came, that was 2 years ago, and it has been probably the 2 best years of our life. Like, I've had a lot of fun. We've gone on a lot of trips, we've had a lot of food, we meet. It is so much fun. I feel like it's home now.
It's not necessary to live in this winter so lonely. The cold I'm turning my face to the sunlight and drinking. Opening, flowering, drinking. Opening, flowering. I'm turning my face to your sunlight and drinking you in.
वहाँ से that's the first time we met Shivani, and both of them were like made for each other. मुझे उस दिन नहीं लगा था कि मतलब बहुत अच्छी जोड़ी है, and ये बहुत लंबी चली.
கன்யாதானம் செய்தி கொடுக்கிறேன் கன்யா ஸ்வீகரணி வென்று பிரார்த்திக்கிறேன்.
Basically signifies our proposal.
What I did for the proposal was that she loves scuba diving a lot. So I decided that I want to do the proposal underwater.
He is claustrophobic, he's hydrophobic, he has more, I don't know, he has all sorts of phobias.
So then I took the course. I started the written part of the course, passed all the examinations, I booked everything. She didn't know anything. And then on the day that we were supposed to fly out, she was a proctor as a job in college or whatever. So she was proctoring an exam, and I used to update a list with 3 smileys every hour telling us something about it. So like I wanted to tell her the weather, so I put sun, the sun smiley डाल के दे दिया. Then I told her we will take a flight करके smiley डाला. Then we'll take car ऐसे करके smiley डाला. मैंने कहा we'll have tacos. उसको लगा हम लोग मेक्सिको जा रहे हैं, बट उसको क्या पता फ्लोरिडा जा रहे थे. And until we reached the gate, actually, she didn't know where she is going. And then she found out that we are going to Florida. But at this point, she still doesn't know we're going to go scuba diving or anything of that sort. And 10 minutes later, we get down at the scuba store. And she can't believe it. But at this point, she still thinks we are going on a tri dive, which is you go once down and you're done. वहाँ पहुँच के उसको पता चला I'm getting myself PADI certified. We are doing her refresher. And then I booked like 6-7 dives, including like a night dive for her. So now everybody at this dive shop knows that I'm gonna propose to her. So everybody is excited about it, but she has no clue. Everyone's asking me, when is it? उसके पीछे सब लोग पूछ रहे होते थे. Then on the day, तो BCD पे यहाँ पे एक hook होता है, उसमें मैंने ring रखी थी. और मैंने उसके सामने रखी थी, because like सामने यहीं पे लटक रही थी. So everyone on the boat knows it's there. She had no clue. Will you marry me? Yes, or 1,000 times yes. Okay, they gave these options. And then we went underwater and...
But he still wanted to just do it because I love scuba diving and he asked me out underwater. And I only had to say yes.
No, Arjun always made me feel like home. And that is the feeling that I was looking for. Always actually, since childhood. So, इसीलिए प्यार हुआ.
Her mom got this vintage car for the Bharat. But I switched it up to this red Santro that her dad has. I couldn't get her dad's Santro, but I got a different Santro. And we used to spend hours driving that car in Bombay actually on that same trip.
मेरे यार की शादी है, मेरे यार की शादी है, मेरे यार की शादी है, मेरे यार की शादी है. घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने, दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने. तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने, दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने. मेरी हर धड़कन क्या बोले है, सुन 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 सुन. साजन जी घर आए, साजन जी घर आए, दुल्हन क्यों शर्माए, साजन जी घर आए.
Get into car. Wait, what is this car? What is this car? You tell me. Was there another car? What car was there? What car was there? Oh my God!
We used to listen to Coldplay all the time. Miracles was our song. So I guess she'll find out, but there's a speaker in the back, they're gonna play Miracles.
From up above I heard the angels sing to me these words. And sometimes in your eyes I see the beauty in the world. Oh, now I'm floating so high, I blossom and die. Sends your storm and your lightning to strike me between the eyes. the stars decide to reflect in puddles in the dirt. When I look in your eyes, I forget all about what hurts. Oh, now I'm floating so high. I blossom and die since you storm and you like there to strike. But between the eyes and cry.
दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते, पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते। दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है। एक और अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तुम सलाम रखना। हो गया अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, हो चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेरिया। हो पिया चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, मेरे या बेरिया।
We got older, days were harder. Can we unwind, rewind? Oh, we need a higher love. Oh, we need a stronger love. Feeling that pain weighing you down. You shed those tears and they touch the ground. But we can't stop. We won't give in. Alive.
Thank you, Arjun.
You're not alone. Standing together
I wanted to live with her before I committed to marriage. Because for me, the commitment to marriage is final. Like I feel like that's a lifetime commitment. It's the biggest decision you will make in life, pretty much. Like so for me, that's why I wanted to make sure that I lived with her for a bit before I made that decision.
He does make me feel safe. I know that I can rely on him. I became very dependent on him for everything. The first thought, I'm like, oh yeah, wait, let me check with Arjun. Oh, let me do that. Very, very like handicapped I've become mentally very handicapped.
And I guess it was about 4 or 5 months after her move. It was one of those days when she had to go to college for something because she had exams and stuff. And I was just sitting at home. And I was like, I don't even know how to function without this girl anymore. अब तो शादी कर लेनी चाहिए मेरे को.
I always wanted to get married in a temple. When I come here, I feel very peaceful. The first time I was here, I felt so good. I felt so peaceful. The quiet, the wind, and the fact that it's far away from everything. It resonated very well with what I'm expecting from marriage in general.
Lost in my mind, past the city limits.
Good morning, Vaishu. Ready है क्या बेटा? Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Sun's rising slow, fighting sleep in the glow, feeling all.
ये आ गए अपने लड़के.
तो वहाँ क्या है? Straight up the coast on the heels of our ghosts, see them all. So I call. Cause you're still on my mind, love. You're still who I dream about. You're still on my mind, love. Lost in my mind, fighting sleep, wasting time, feel it all. Sun setting low on your street, driving slow, drop you off. I feel it most, take your hand, pull you close, want it all. So I call, cause you're still on my mind, love. You're still who I dream about. You're still on my mind, love. Take your hand, pull you close, hold me
Shadi maybe Pura, he'll be talking in the mandap also, he'll be talking with the Pandit only, I think he'll be talking.
நடுவில் இவ ஊர் வந்தது அப்போ சிட்டி வந்தது. அப்போ உங்களை என்ட்ரன்ஸே பார்த்தா நல்ல அழகுமா இருக்காரு, எதுக்கு இவளுக்கு என் பொண்ணை கொடுத்து எஸ் இமேஜின் பொண்ணை அவளை உங்களை தடுத்திருக்கா. ராஜமன்றில பார்த்துட்டு ராஜமன்றில தடுத்திருக்கா உங்களை. இப்படியே நல்ல அழகாக இருக்கான், எதுக்கு என் பொண்ணை கொடுத்து. எதுக்குனாக்கா நீங்கள் ஐஏ ஸ்டடி பண்ணுறப்போ சமையல் பண்ணி ஸ்டடி வாசிக்கிறது கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. என் பொண்ணு அழகாக தெளிவு பண்ணி போடுவேன், சமையல் பண்ணி போடுவேன். அது சாப்பிட்டு அப்பா சொல்லுப்பா. அதுக்கு ஸ்லோகத்து அர்த்தம் இதுதான். சரியா சொல்லுப்பா. சரிதம் பிரம்மா சதோஹம் கிருத்தவத சதுஷ்டய காஷி யாத்ரா கமிஷ்யாமி அனுஜ்ஞா தேய்மே சுபம் அவ சொல்றேன். சொல்லுப்பா, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. சாலங்கார மமசுதாம் கன்யா தாஸ்யாமி வேத்விஜா பாணிகிரஹீத்வா மத்கிரஹம் அவ பொண்ணு கொடுக்குறா. அது சாலங்காரமா லட்சணமா சுசுந்தரமா இருக்க பொண்ணு இருக்கா, கல்யாணம் பண்ணி கொடுத்தா. தென் யூ வில் கண்டினியூ ஃபார் யுவர் காஷி. ஓகே, அக்ரி கமிஷ்யாமி. ಶಿವಾನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಿನೋ.
I know her for like 15 years now, since college, like 11th standard. We've dreamt about this day for the longest, and this is more than what we could have dreamt of.
जब से मिले हैं हम एक दूजे से बनने लगे हैं, इश्क के धागों से खींचे भला क्यों तेरी ही राहों में बाहों में, निगाहों ने रची कैसी साजिश है ये मिलाने के लिए ये दो दिल हमारे, गुजारिश है मेरी कहे संग रहे तू हर पल में.
I'm feeling excited. I'm waiting to see Arjun actually.
हर पल मेरे आसरा तू ही मेरा है, मिला साथ तेरा है बना, तू जो मेरा मितवा. तुझसे मिला मैं जाने कुछ ऐसे, मुझको लगा जो सब मिल गया है. तू ही हम सफर मेरा, तू ही हम सफर मेरा, तुझसे जुड़ी है राहें कुछ ऐसी, मेरा सभी जो तू बन गया है. तू ही हम सफर मेरा, तू ही हम सफर मेरा, ख्वाहिशें हैं दिल में यही संग रहूं दुनिया में मैं तेरी, हवाओं संग चली कैसी रंगती रहे मन को मेरे, मन को मेरे है आसरा. तू ही मेरा है, मिला साथ तेरा है बना, तू जो मेरा मितवा.
Such beautiful souls also. Genuinely good people, you know. I wish them the best. the best of everything. So happy they got married. They're so perfect for each other.
ನೂರು ನೂರು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಗೆಳತಿ ಎಂದು ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಲುಮೆ ಸಿರೆ ಒಡತಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಗಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಕಾಯುವೆ ನೆರಳಂತೆ ಅನವರತ ಸುಖ ತರುತ್ತಾ ಆಣೆಯ ಮಾಡುವೆ ನಿನಗೆದೋ ಹೃದಯದ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯಂ ತಂತು ನಾನೇನಾ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನಾ ಕಂಠೆ ಭಗ್ನಾಮಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ತ್ವಂ ಜೀವ ಶರದ ಶತಂ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯಂ ತಂತು ನಾನೇನಾ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನಾ ಕಂಠೆ ಭಗ್ನಾಮಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ತ್ವಂ ಜೀವ ಶರದ ಶತಂ
ನೂರು ನೂರು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮಗಳು ಬರಲಿ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಎಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಒಲುಮೆಗರಿ ಇರಲಿ ಹಾಲು ಜೇನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಬಾಳುವೆ ಜೊತೆಯಂತೆ ಅನವರತ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಣೆಯ ಮಾಡುವೆ ನೀರಗಿದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ
I have never seen two people that are so opposite in terms of mentality but are just good together. They have fun together. I am pretty sure this is probably the best decision he has made in life. and yeah, I wish them a lot of happiness.
I know both of them love each other a lot. They have that special bond and they have a very, very long, beautiful and healthy life.
Ten minutes she has to get ready.
पवन जय स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र पवन जय स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सर्वलोकाधार समरैकवीर गर्वमानसदूर कनकागधीर सर्वलोकाधार समरैकवीर गर्वमानसदूर कनकागधीर सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे परमेशनुत गीत भवजलधिपोत धरणिकुल संजात त्यागराजनुत परमेशनुत गीत भवजलधिपोत धरणिकुल संजात त्यागराजनुत सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सीता
You both, I think, are madly in love with each other. I think that is very evident, and I think they complete each other. I'm very happy that things turned out great and they are together.
They're here, they're part of the madness now. Coming in, we're part of the madness. Subbu, check in. Subbu, check in. Is everything okay?
Hey Shivani, welcome to the Madness NASA.
When you walked into the room, I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. Was it make-believe, or was it a dream? I've been waiting all my life. Feels like I've struck a gold mine. With your hand in mine, our love came alive. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Oh, the rest of our lives. Dance with me beneath the stars, moonlight crashing on